Hello, hello, hello. Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. So I just wanted to come and show you guys what I have been growing in my garage. So I'm turning it around. Let me see if I can read my handwriting. This is microgreens. So all of these rows right here are microgreens. And then right here, oh child, is that say arugula? I can't even read my own writing. This is romaine lettuce. And this one right here. And this is black seeded Simpson lettuce right here that have not come up. This is some zucchini. This is more zucchini. And this is carrots. And this is the cilantro that I just planted, and asparagus that I just planted 2 days ago. So of course those wouldn't come up, but these I planted about 2 weeks ago. So just giving you guys a view of all of my goodies. I told y'all 2024 is gonna be out the door and kicking. We gonna have plenty. And y'all, I am super stoked about these microgreens over here. I knew they grew fast, but I didn't know they grew this fast. We gonna be eating some salads and some stuff, some things in a couple of weeks, look like. 2024, y'all. This got to be arugula. That's a shame. When you have these markers and they don't be marking right, they halfway be working. But yeah, y'all, don't want to ramble on. This is what we looking like. This romaine lettuce is starting to do a little something. So yeah, we're gonna be transplanting them pretty soon. And this zucchini, yes. Growing in zone 9A. Sexist gardening, y'all. Salon Diva V. Welcome in old, welcome in new. My OGs, my newbies, my divas and my divos. Welcome, y'all. Welcome. Share me with your family and your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe. Find me on my other social media platforms. It's either Salon Diva or MK Diva, or something to that effect. And I will see you guys in the next video on Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas 14, y'all. Vlogmas day 14. So, Salon Diva V in the place to be, and you know what it is. Peace.